Let's talk about mornings, not the Pinterest perfect ones with eucalyptus showers and green juice. I'm talking about mornings where you're just trying to get out the door without losing your sanity. I'm Michaele Downey, time management expert, trainer, the Workweek whisperer, and I've tested just about every morning routine out there. Here's what I learned. The perfect morning routine isn't perfect. It's intentional. So today I'm giving you a version that works and you can adjust it to fit your life, not some influencers. The first 10 minutes of your day set the tone. Most people start theirs by checking email, which is basically saying, hey, everyone, tell me what to stress about today. Think about it. You wouldn't let 25 people walk into your bedroom at 6:15 a.m. shouting their requests, right? That's what your inbox does when you check it first thing. So let's build a routine that starts with you, your brain, your energy, your goals, before the world barges in. Here's my formula: water, movement, mind. First, water. A glass of water wakes up your body faster than caffeine. Movement. A 2-minute stretch, standing tall for a minute, or even dancing while brushing your teeth counts. Motion wakes up motivation. Mind. Take 2 quiet minutes to breathe, journal, or visualize the day. No apps, no input, just you checking in with you. Once you're awake and centered, it's time for the most powerful 5-minute investment of your day, your plan. I call it the 3x2 to-do list. It's simple, it's fast, and it keeps you from drowning in sticky notes. Write down 3 must-do tasks for work and 3 for life. That's it. Not 30, not 12, just 6 tasks for the day. These are your non-negotiables. The day is a win if you do these 6 things. Everything else, optional bonus points. And here's why this matters. When you start your day with clarity, you stop chasing other people's emergency. You move from reactive to proactive. From where did the time go to look what I actually accomplished. Once your plan's set, give your brain something nutritional before the world floods in. Maybe it's a podcast, an audiobook, or reading 5 pages of something inspiring. Think of it as breakfast for your mind. I'll often read a page of something that makes me curious: productivity, leadership, or even a random topic like why flamingos stand on one leg. Curiosity wakes you up better than caffeine. And here's a pro tip. If you want to guard your mental space, don't check social media until at least one real-world win has happened. You deserve to have one uninfluenced thought before breakfast. Because here's a secret most people miss. What you consume early sets your mood. So if you're doom scrolling before 8 a.m., you've basically handed your mood to the internet. As you get ready, stack your habits. Habit stacking means pairing a new habit with something you already do. Here are some examples. Listen to a podcast or an audiobook while brushing your teeth. Review your calendar while your coffee brews. Lay your clothes out the night before. Each stacked habit is a little micro win, and micro wins build momentum. Every stacked habit removes one future decision, and fewer decisions mean more energy for the stuff that actually matters, like problem solving, creativity, or surviving the commute. Now, if you have kids, you just laughed at everything I said. Your morning routine might look more like this: wake up, negotiate peace treaties, locate missing shoes, and somehow get everyone fed. So your goal isn't a flawless routine, it's family rhythm. Try this version instead. Wake up 15 minutes before your kids, not to work, just to breathe. Prep zones the night before, lunches, backpacks, even shoes by the door. This eliminates morning decision fatigue. Have a family 5-minute meeting. Everyone says their top thing for the day. It keeps connection high and chaos low. And remember, the perfect morning isn't one without interruptions. It's one where you set the tone, not your phone, not your inbox, not your schedule, just you. So even if things go off the rails, and they will, this rhythm helps you reset faster. You can't control chaos, but you can anchor your morning around things that keep you grounded. So to recap, start with you, not your inbox. Hydrate, move, breathe. Plan your top 6. Feed your mind. Stack your habits. If you have kids, go for rhythm, not perfection. The perfect morning isn't about doing more. It's about doing the right things first. If you want a printable version of the 3x2 to-do list or my morning routine checklist, you'll find it linked in the description. And hey, if this has helped, hit subscribe and share it with someone whose mornings could use a little whispering back to calm.